Alright, we'll take a quick look around the Sierra here for any damages we see. Really shouldn't be much. There's some of this wax residue on the truck, but not from body work. It just was buffed. Try to look for dings in the reflection. Not really seeing any. Let me know if I missed anything. Tires are in excellent shape. Set up for a gooseneck. Pretty minor little chip. The trim here is kind of delambing. It's pretty common for these things. We see this happen a lot. Wouldn't necessarily call that damage. Front tires are excellent. No rust. Maybe a little surface rust here and there, which is to be expected. Again, we'll look for dings in the reflection here. This is exactly what the dent guides read off of these black and white stripes. That's what is on their little reader boards. You can see if the lines are pinching or if they're spreading apart as to which way the metal's going. Good shape. Windshield looks good. On previous rock chip repair, we can see that. There it is. Spokes in there, I don't know. It was repaired, however. Again with the delam. That's in good shape, don't look beat up. Take a look at the roof here. There's a couple of dents. Other side. Other than that, it's pretty good. Interior's in excellent shape. Everything works. Seat's in excellent shape. A lot of times this is trashed. The side bolster's trashed. Buttons all look good. None of the paint's missing. A little bit of crack on the dash, which is pretty common with these years. We do a lot of dash pads. Usually they're completely just, especially if someone's hit them or something crazy, they're pretty trashed. Starts right up. No dummy lights. So that's my reflection. Radio works. No weird smells. Kid stains, pet stains. Sliding window back there, that's always nice. Again, everything's in excellent shape. Got enough room for your buddies back there. Pretty good. I think I got everything. Let us know if we missed anything. Otherwise, I believe that is about it.